Looking for a new stroller to explore the city with your child? Then the Bugaboo Butterfly is made for you. Hi, I'm Camille and I've been a product trainer at Bugaboo for the last 6 years. In this video, I'll explain all you need to know about our new Butterfly stroller, including top features, who is it for, how to use it, and what's in the box. A little about myself. I'm also a mother of an 8-month-old baby. I lived in big cities my whole life, so I need a stroller that matches my lifestyle. But it's always hard finding a good compact strollers that are light, comfortable, and easy to use. But recently, I've been testing the Butterfly with my baby and I'm a big fan. So as an expert and a parent, let me tell you why I love it so much. Let's dive right in. The Bugaboo Butterfly is the 1-second fold city stroller for travels near and far. It's the lightest stroller in our Bugaboo collection so far. It's perfect as a second stroller for your toddler starting from 6 months. I use the Butterfly with my daughter and it lets us move around without compromising comfort or quality, thanks to a smart 1-second fold and air unfold system activated with just one hand. An ultra-compact fold so you can fit the Butterfly into small hallways or other spaces, including overhead compartments on many airlines. A portable design and multiple carrying modes like the carry strap or the leg rest. A super spacious and reclinable seat with a 4-panel breezy sun canopy designed for babies who are growing into curious toddlers up to 22 kilos. An extra large and easy access under-seat basket with an 8 kilos capacity and advanced 4-wheel suspensions, so you can easily maneuver the strollers with one hand. Now, I'll show you these features in more detail. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and intuitive it is to fold and unfold the Butterfly. The one-hand, 1-second folding lets you fold it in record time. You can also fold the Butterfly without adjusting the canopy, the leg rest, or any other accessories. Just fold and go. Just push the 2 white buttons until locked. Voila! And once it's folded, it's also self-standing on its own. The folding is really easy to learn and it's convenient because I can fold even when carrying my daughter or a bag of groceries. Unfolding is just as easy. Click the same buttons and it unfolds in the air. Gravity does the work. After unfolding, the only thing left is to check the smart indicators. If they're white, you're ready to go. Another impressive thing about the Butterfly is how small and compact it is. When it's folded, it's about the size of a small suitcase. You can neatly put it under cafe tables, in corridors, in car trunks or in a closet. And if you're taking a vacation, the Butterfly fits perfectly into overhead luggage compartments of most airlines too. There are many ways to carry a Butterfly. One option is to lift it up with the carry strap. Then, sling it over your shoulder and carry it hands-free. This way you can hold your baby or anything while on the go. Another option is to lift it by the leg rest or the handlebar. The Butterfly, true to its name, is very light too. It doesn't feel heavy at all. In fact, it weighs less than my daughter. Next, let's look at the seat. The Butterfly seat was designed for growing toddlers from about 6 months and up to 22 kilos. The backrest is 56 centimeters high, and including the headspace, there is 63 centimeters in total. It's one of the most spacious and comfortable ultra-compact strollers on the market. The spacious and soft seat means that as your child grows, it's still comfortable. The Butterfly's seat also has a beautiful inlay with premium detailing, high-quality fabric, and an extra padded cushioning. The inlay really hugs your child's body, even from the side, which isn't something that you often see in other compact strollers. As you know, babies need to take a lot of naps along the day. So when it's nap time, you can easily recline the seat to become almost fully flat and comfortable, also with one hand. Just pull it back using the white handle. To put it upright again, pull the cord and snap the button. There are multiple positions to choose from. fully upright, anywhere in between, or almost full recline. It's up to you. The leg rest with its high quality fabric also gives your baby extra comfort no matter if they're awake or napping. The leg rest adjusts to 5 different positions. During nap times, do a full recline with the leg rest up. And when your baby wakes up, straighten the seat with the leg rest down. And once your toddler doesn't need it anymore, easily get it out of the way. Your baby is also secure thanks to the 5-point quick click harness. It's also adjustable to fit your child. Then, when your child starts to walk, they can also easily hop in and out. Just unfasten the harness and the child can use the leg rest as a stepping stone to go off and explore. Finally, there's the breezy sun canopy. You can extend it to become 4 panels and let your baby relax or sleep in a cozy cocoon. The first panel is a mesh discovery window that lets you watch your toddler and bond wherever you go. For an ultra-compact stroller, the Butterfly features an impressive underseat basket featuring beautiful high-quality fabric. It can carry as much as 8 kilos. That's more than enough to bring along all the goodies you'll need for a day out in town. For example, on a Saturday, I might want to buy groceries or bring my kids' toys, but I don't want to carry everything in my hands. So I just leave them in here and go on with my day. The underseat basket is accessible from 2 sides, the front and with a flexible opening in the rear. It's super easy to take things in and out, and everything you need is always right within arm's reach. It's also very flexible, so you can fit bulky or oddly shaped items like a skateboard. In total, the Butterfly can carry up to 30 kilos. That's 22 kilos for the child and 8 kilos of storage in the underseat basket. You might wonder what the driving experience is in a stroller this size. Even when carrying a lot of weight, the Butterfly still rides super smoothly, thanks to the durable wheels and the 4-wheel suspension. In fact, the wheels were tested on strolls up to 4,000 kilometers. Like all of our strollers, the Butterfly was designed to keep rolling no matter where you go. The chassis also feels super sturdy and stable. I can easily steer the Butterfly with just one hand in any street corner. But the Butterfly isn't just strong, it's also very pleasant on the eyes. The design is very modern, streamlined and smooth. Unlike in some compact strollers, Bugaboo hid all the Butterfly's joints and mechanisms so everything flows in one shape. It feels extremely well crafted, especially when you take a closer look. From the logo, the handlebar, the chassis, even the wheels. Our fabrics are all made to last, with a non-fluoride coating for your child's safety. I can tell you that with this product, our designers have made yet another amazing Bugaboo ride. Let's take a look at what you'll get with the Butterfly. Everything is included in just one box to reduce the amount of cardboard. This is a great step in our push to achieve zero environmental impact. The Butterfly comes in 3 colors: forest green, stormy blue and midnight black. They're sleek, modern and can match any style. The Butterfly is compatible with most accessories, like the Bugaboo organizer, the changing bag, the backpack, the parasol, the foot muff, the performance winter foot muff, the seat liner, the cup holder and the smartphone holder. If you're like me and already have lots of Bugaboo accessories lying around from your first stroller, then you'll love reusing them on the Butterfly. So feel free to personalize your Butterfly. But I want to highlight some accessories that were specially designed just for this stroller. First are the car seat adapters. The Butterfly is compatible with the Bugaboo Turtle Air by Nuna and most other car seats. This lets you use the Butterfly from birth onwards. and seamlessly move your child from the stroller to car and back. To install, first recline the seat fully back. Then, click the adapters in place. Finally, snap on the car seat. Make sure to check the complete car seat compatibility list in your region. Another accessory we specifically developed for the Butterfly is the bumper bar. It provides extra protection for your baby when you're on a busy street. And when the baby wants to look around, they can lean out while resting on the bar. The bumper bar connects to the Butterfly using the integrated adapters. Just push and slide it into place like this. When you need to reach your baby, click the white button to release and rotate the bar. Finally, we have the Bugaboo Comfort wheeled board. It's perfect if you have another older child with you for the ride. To install it, connect the wheeled board to the Butterfly using the integrated attachment point. Now, your older one can stroll with the family. When you're not using it, just flip the board up to get it out of the way. The wheeled board can hold a children up to 20 kilos, which means in total, the Butterfly can handle as much as 50 kilos. Overall, this makes the Butterfly perfect for your growing family as you explore the city and beyond. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching the introduction to the Bugaboo Butterfly. I hope you are as excited about it as I am. You can learn much more about the Butterfly at one of our retailers. Or better yet, come meet the stroller in person in your local retail store. And if you have any further questions, feel free to get in touch with our sales department. See you soon!